For today's easy recipe, we're making 4-ingredient strawberry Rice Krispie treats. In a large saucepan or pot, place 3 tablespoons of salted butter and melt this over medium-low heat. While it melts, place 1/2 cup of dried strawberries into a food processor and pulse until you're left with a fairly fine strawberry powder. Give the butter a quick stir to ensure that it coats the bottom of the pan. Add in 6 cups of mini marshmallows. Using your spatula, continuously stir this over medium-low heat until all of the marshmallows are fully melted and it's well incorporated with the butter. Remove it from the heat and add 6 cups of Rice Krispie cereal. Use your spatula to stir until everything is well combined, ensuring that you get down to the bottom to incorporate all of the marshmallow. Now I'm going to add in 2 cups of mini marshmallows as well as that strawberry powder from earlier. Once again, I'm going to mix until everything is evenly combined. As always, all of these instructions as well as the full written recipe can also be found down below. Now I'm going to transfer this into an 8x8 inch pan lined with some plastic wrap, or you could also use parchment paper. Now I'm going to gently press this into my pan, ensuring that I get it into all of the corners and it's nice and even. Let it set for about 1 hour at room temperature and then they're ready to slice and enjoy. These strawberry Rice Krispie treats are loaded with delicious gooey marshmallows and speckled with delicious strawberries. If you have enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and I'm going to link a few more recipes here for you. Thanks so much for watching.